today I'll be doing the pipe cleaners takedown. So as you can see, I have the pipe cleaners in. I put them in since I have them in roughly 3 days now. Yeah, I have them in like 3 days now. I'm kind of missing my hair. I like to feel my hair free, so yeah, I'm about to take them out now. They took hours to put in, but it doesn't really matter because I'm getting my hair back. I miss the freeness of my hair. So I took one out already, and this is how it's looking. Right, so this is how it's looking right now. As you can see, the curls are pretty much tight and bouncy. I am super in love with it, and yeah, so definitely keep posted for the rest of the video. I'm super excited, guys. So yeah. This is the finished product. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I can't tell you guys how much I am loving it. Yes, so let me turn to the back of me quickly. Yes, that's my dog house in the back. Yeah, I'm feeling it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god, guys, you can't go wrong. You cannot go wrong with this. Trust me. Look at this. it's just giving you curls all over the place. Yeah, so I'm truly loving my results. I am definitely loving it so far. Let's see how long it takes to drop. This is my first day taking out the pipe cleaners. Let's see how long it takes for the curls to drop. So yes, yes guys, so let's hope for the best, and peace, love, and light. Love you guys. Stay blessed. It's your girl Fabry Empress K signing out. Until next time, bye.